What's up, YouTube family? Welcome back to Vibe with Double Chief. Here is where small creators learn how to grow, get monetized, and build a channel that actually works for them. If you have been struggling to grow your watch time hour, maybe you've got the videos, the view, but your watch time just won't move. Listen, this video is for you because today, I'm going to break it down, the real step-by-step guide to increase your YouTube watch time in 2025. The easy, smart, and realistic way. And no, we are not talking about fake tricks, arts, or bots. We are talking about real strategies that actually get you those 4,000 watch hour and move you closer to your monetization. So grab your notebook, hit that like button, and let's vibe into it. Number one, we'll be talking about why watch time is everything. Before we even get into it, let's talk about why watch time is the heartbeat of your channel. Viewers are nice, subscribers are great, but watch time is what tells YouTube, hey, people actually enjoy this comment. Think of it this way. If someone click and leave after 10 seconds, YouTube learns something. But if someone watches 5 minutes, 10 minutes, maybe even replay it, YouTube says, okay, this video is worth showing to more audience. So when you focus on watch time, you are not just chasing hours. You are building a momentum. You are telling the algorithm, send me more viewers. You understand? And that's how small creators really grow. Not by luck, but by mastering watch time. Number two, the mindset shift. Now listen, before we even talk about the strategy, you need a mindset shift. Stop thinking about making videos. Start thinking about creating experience. Every second your viewers watches is a moment of trust. If you respect their time, they will give you more of it. Ask yourself this after every upload. Would I watch this video all the way through? If the answer is no, go back, improve it, tighten it, and re-upload stronger. The easiest way to increase watch time is to stop wasting time. That's the mindset. Now, let's move into the strategies. Yes. Now, you need to hook viewers in the first 2 to 10 seconds. If you lose them early, you lose your watch time period. The first 10 seconds of your video are everything. So here is what to do. Start with a strong promise. You can say something like, in this video, I will show you how to hit 4,000 watch hours in half the user time. Remove your boring intro. Don't waste any seconds saying your name and whatsoever. They will learn it once they trust you. If your intro does not hook, your watch time won't cook. It's as simple as that. 4 is structuring your video for orientation. Here is the secret nobody talks about. Structure keeps people watching. You can use this simple 3-part structure in every video. Number 1, the hook grab. You need to grab attention very, very fast. You understand? And the second thing is the meat. Deliver value in clear, easy to digest step. Third, the payoff. End strong. Recap. Tease the next video. Every few seconds, reset attention. Say, nice, hear the next secret, or wait till you hear this. That keeps the energy alive and tells the viewers something valuable is still coming. You can literally double your average view duration just by mastering your structure. Number 50 we'll be talking about is creating a playlist that actually chain your videos. If you want more watch hour, you have to connect your videos together. Don't let people watch one and leave. Use playlists to chain your videos together like a series. You can use chain title like how to get 1,000 subscribers, how to get 4,000 watch hours, how to get monetized on YouTube. Boom. That's bridgeable content. When one video ends, the next one starts automatically. And YouTube counts that watch time for your channel in total. That's how small creators secretly rank up 4,000 watch hours by getting people to watch 3 or 4 videos in a row. And the sixth thing we'll be talking about today is using a storytelling and emotion. Listen, people don't just watch videos, they watch people. If you want them to stay longer, let them feel connected to you. Tell story, share your journey. Talk about the time your video flopped. Talk about how you almost gave up and things like that. That's how your audience becomes emotionally invested, and that emotion translates into longer watch session. Storytelling is not just powerful for motivation, it's powerful for orientation. Here is a trick most small creators ignore. Longer video actually make it easier to build watch hours. If your video is 3 minutes long, the maximum you can get from that particular video would be 3 minutes. But if it's 20 minutes and they watch even 60% of that video, you can get up to 12 minutes from that video, which is 12 minutes watch time. That's why your goal should be to make valuable long video that actually hold attention. So don't be afraid to go 15 to 20 minutes video, even 30 minutes video, as long as the energy stays strong. Keep your visual alive. Even if you are talking ahead on, add small movement. Zoom in slightly when you make a key point. Add quick quotes. Throw on some light background music and so on. You are not fighting boredom. You are fighting distraction. Alright, now let's connect it all, because once you understand watch time, you are already halfway to monetization. You need 4,000 watch hour. That's about 240,000 minutes of trust. And every video you upload should build that trust. You understand? Once you hit those hours, YouTube open the gateway for you. The ads, the revenue, channel membership, super chats. That's when your content starts paying you back. And that's why today is the best day to start focusing on watch time, not viewers, not views. So, there you have it. The full honest step-by-step way to increase your YouTube watch time in 2025. Remember this, you don't need luck. You need consistency, structure, and the courage to keep uploading even when no one is watching yet. If this video helped you, smash that like button, subscribe for more creator tips like this, and drop a comment. Let me know how many watch hours you already have. We are growing together, one creator, one video, 1 hour at a time. I will see you on the next one. Stay consistent, stay creative, and as always, keep vibing with Double Chief.